Hello and welcome to yet another video on Claude Code presented by your mentor Vivek. You ask a chat AI for code and it hands you a block to copy paste. You paste it, run it, hit an error, paste the error back. Claude Code skips that whole dance. It opens your repo and does the work itself. By the end of this course, you'll drive it like a senior pair programmer. We're learning on a real app, WorkshopHub, the Pottery Studio booking platform from my SDD Masterclass. Clone the repo and follow along. And when you finish, Anthropic's official free certificate is waiting. So, how is this different from Claude.ai in the browser? Let me show you. Claude.ai gives you answers. You carry code back and forth by hand. Claude Code has direct access to your files, your terminal, your entire code base. No copy-paste. It goes in and does the work. Why? Because Claude Code is an AI agent, a large language model running in a loop in real time with tools. Watch the cycle. Your goal goes in. It thinks, takes an action, checks the result, and loops until the job is done. So, what does that look like inside WorkshopHub? 4 moves. 1. It reads and understands your code base. Ask it to trace the booking overlap bug, and it hunts through the files and explains exactly what's going wrong. 2. It edits across the whole project. Rename reservation to booking everywhere, and every single reference gets updated. 3. It runs terminal commands. It fires PHP artisan test, reads the failures, and uses that output to decide its next move. And 4. It searches the web. Need the latest Laravel docs or an API reference, it fetches them itself. Before we go further, 3 things to remember. Always, the context window is Claude's working memory. It holds a lot, not everything. So Claude searches your repo strategically. It asks permission by default. You stay in control. And it can be wrong. Misread your intent, introduce a bug, over-engineer, stay in the loop, and it runs almost anywhere. Terminal, VS Code, JetBrains, the Claude desktop app, even the web. This course, we live in the terminal. So, that's Claude Code, an agent inside your repo. Next unit, we open the hood, the agentic loop, and how Claude Code actually thinks. See you there. If you found this useful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for patient listening and see you in the next video. Until then, peace out.